about full white label rights. Here's an opportunity to start a new business at the highest level. For the first time ever, we are offering full white label rights and white label licenses for this app for one crazy low price. Resale rights are cool, but the real players know that the most profits are in software white label opportunities. Upload your own custom logo, your very own custom domain, automated client login delivery. We even provide the support for your customers if you like. Full product support. You get access to all the upgrades and updates as we actively maintain the software. No hidden charges, no link back to us. Your customers will never know we exist. You're getting complete white label access to all the apps inside the software, and they all have mass appeal. They're easy to sell. Also, your clients will have access to the main software plus the pro features as long as you invested in the pro version as well. This option is for go-getters, for achievers wanting to take their agency and business to the next level. We paid thousands of dollars to develop this option and the capabilities to make this possible for you. This is not the typical crappy reseller offer that you see on launches. I'm talking about a full-blown, 100% white label option for your brand new enterprise software. Literally putting your name, your brand, your logo and more on our software and sell it as yours. Your customers will never see our name, our branding or anything from us for that matter. You'll be owning your own full-blown software business with your full branding. Just imagine having your own proven, beautifully designed and from scratch developed enterprise software available to sell access to under your name and brand in the hottest niches available right now. And when you make a sale, you keep all of the money. No expensive fees for programmers, no 1 year waiting to get a software done, no managing developers, no headaches or overhead, no server cost. How cool would it be to finally have your own solid and proven software solution under your name and brand? You can charge hundreds or thousands for the right for your clients to access your software. And don't forget, you can use this with prospects immediately. You can help businesses in your local area, offering them helpful and beneficial services. There's so much opportunity to make money with this white label license. The best part, you can and you should charge monthly for your services. Clients want more engagement, more traffic and leads. The perfect recurring revenue stream for you. How awesome is that? Like I said, this opportunity is for the marketer ready to step it up. Ready to move from just basic and old school services to full-blown software services. We all know that software has the highest perceived value in the marketplace, period. We all know that you can charge by far the most for software and that people love buying great software solutions. But we also know how daunting and scary it can be to get a solid software created from scratch, something that's actually helpful and good. This is where this white label offer comes in. A full-blown turnkey solution ready to go literally today. Sign up right now, upload your logo and customize to your liking, and just like that, you are ready to go. You are running your own software company. You are ready to make money in many ways. Selling this as a service, delivering results and leads for your business owners, generating traffic, improving engagement and conversions. The opportunities are endless. We decided to offer this at by far the lowest price ever. Until now, we have never offered white label for under $997. If you know anything about software, you know that something sophisticated like this app costs about $50,000 to develop from scratch. And that's just for the basic app, not counting all the extras your new app comes with. And also that's just the technology. That doesn't even include all the other investments we are covering for you. Creating the user interface, handling support, server speed and server cost, the list goes on and on. But here's the great news. You don't have to worry about any of this. I mean literally no headaches or overhead whatsoever. We covered and cover it all, and you just leverage our hard work, expertise, and hours spent to create this incredible software solution. If you take action right now, you can have your own software solution in just minutes from now. Here's a quick recap. Full white label license, upload your own logo, your own custom domain, add clients, delete clients, manage clients, automatic login delivery, no hidden fees whatsoever, and you keep all the profits. And your investment is not even a fraction of what it would be if you developed this from scratch. In fact, look at everything we covered for you so that you don't have to worry about it. Come up with a software idea? Done. Find high quality programmers? Done. Design user interface? Done. Pay thousands for the development team? Done. Pay for high speed servers? Done. Pay for support staff? Done. Update and upgrade the app? Done. Creating the white label panel? Done as well. You literally save tens of thousands of dollars while getting your own software business in minutes from now with zero headaches. Charge monthly, charge a yearly fee, charge a nice one-time fee. You keep all of the profits as this is your software business now. So take action right now and take your business to a whole new level at the lowest price possible. Fair warning though, this deal is only good during this launch special. And every day during this launch, the price for this incredible package goes up. No exceptions. Of course, you're also covered by our rock solid, no questions asked money back guarantee. So take action right now, seize this opportunity with both hands and start generating profits immediately. Sign up right away before the launch special is over and this deal is gone.